Today's unboxing is a holiday unboxing. It is from Penguin Random House, and it looks like a pretty big haul. So let's get started. Wow, so they sent a really nice holiday package with a special label, which is so nice. And inside, oh, it looks like these are a lot of great gift ideas. Okay, so we'll start with this. Ooh, one of my favorite books, Where the Wild Things Are. And this looks like it is a mug. Pull that out. And it is. It is a fabulous Where the Wild Things Are mug. And here, let me hold it up for you so you can see. It's actually a nice size. It isn't like, it's sort of taller than it is wide. Let's see what else is in here. Here is a board book with a Santa theme. How to Catch Santa. More books in here. A Christmas themed chapter book, the Christmasaurus. Oh, nicely illustrated. That would be fun. Socks. About pigeon. Oh, they sent a little holiday stocking. Oh, and there's some additional treats. So the holiday stocking came with a dreidel and some candy cane. Okay, here is a tote bag. Oh, Blueberries for Sale. You know, honestly, that's one of my favorite books of all time. And what's great about Blueberries for Sale is that it's a picture book, but it's actually, the reading level is much higher than your typical picture book, and just beautifully illustrated. I always have loved that book. Oh, here is a onesie with a reading theme. Let me see if I can pull up. And it is, oh my god, so cute. Everybody poops. So also, I want to open the bag. Also, one of our favorite books when kids were little. So it's by Karo Gomi. And it's, you know, the Japanese, they're not afraid of bodily functions. And this is the illustration where they have all the animals lined up, including the little boy on the potty. That is so cute. I need a baby to sing that too. I think the only baby I know is too old for that one. Oh, here is an adorable Sesame Street book, picture book. And it's Scratch and Sniff, which is probably everybody's favorite interactive. You just don't see that anymore, Scratch and Sniff, but my god, that is so fun. Oh, I love this book. This one came out. And I've always loved the All of a Kind family, which is a middle grade chapter book series. And I think it was newly reprinted because all of them were not in print at one time, just like the first two. And now they came out with a picture book. And the illustrator is an award-winning illustrator, Paul Zelinsky. And this is a really charming Hanukkah picture book. I think I had a copy earlier. Oh, I read it for the Symbols picture book long list. And it is lovely. And, you know, honestly, you don't have, this turn of the century, Lower East Side, New York, so you don't have to be celebrating Hanukkah to enjoy this. It's also a great way to learn about Hanukkah. Here is another, John Cena, so I think he is the MMA fighter, turned actor. It looks like he has a book out, Elbow Grease. Looks like it's, yep, it is definitely John Cena. So kind of like a Cars type book, I think. I haven't read it yet, but I'll let you know. And then the last book here is, oh, this is a really beautiful die cut. Last stop on Reindeer Express. And if you open the cover, you can see the die cut cover, which is unusual. And this looks like a really beautifully illustrated Christmas theme, maybe a little bit magical, definitely fun. And who is that one by? That is by Maudie Powell-Tuck and Karl James Mountford. So that is the holiday haul from Random House Penguin. And I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if there's any holiday books that you guys enjoy reading to your kids, or if anyone's doing like a picture book advent calendar where you read one picture book a day. I've never done that, but I think I totally missed out. All right, thank you. Happy holidays to everyone.